Okay, so what I'm going to do is go ahead and show how to do a Google collaboration. So first I got to pull up Google Drive. What I'm going to do is, to be thorough, I'm going to upload a file here. And let's just pick something. Why not? Just an old assignment of mine. Okay, now I'm going to open that up. Now, this is just a document on my computer right now, but what I can do is just open it up with this button on Open in Google Docs. Okay, wait for a second for that to load. Okay, so now it's opened up as kind of like a website here. So what I'm going to do now is, it's still private. I'm just going to hit the share button. All right. And you can't see it on my screen right now, but I'll be typing in the name of an email address. I'm actually gonna, yeah, pull that screen down a little bit just so you can see it now. There we go. Okay. So I'm going to type in an email address. That's just one of my old email addresses, so I don't want to actually send this to someone right now. So then I would just hit send. What that'll do is it'll send the link to this document. That way they can just open up anytime they want. If they're in a Google account, it can just be a collaboration, so it's just an invitation. But for now, I'm just going to send it to send the link. Hit send. Okay, and there you go. We're good to go. That'll allow students to open up the same document on different computers and each work on it.